Hi guys, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. Today, we are going to display images from clonable fields, as an example here. In this tutorial, we will do it with Meta Box and Gutenberg. For other page builders, we'll have other tutorials later. So, keep track of our channel. We'll need MetaBox and some of its extensions for this practice. I already installed MetaBox Core plugin to have the framework to create custom fields. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. With extensions of MetaBox for further advanced features, you can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO. Please make sure that you enabled the following extensions. Firstly, MB Settings page. The name says it all, it helps you to create settings pages. Secondly, we need MB Views to create templates as well as get and display fields values without touching the theme's files. Next is MetaBox Builder, which provides a UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. And the last one is MetaBox Group. This extension helps to organize custom fields into clonable groups, where we input images today. That's all. Normally we'll create a custom post type to create multiple posts for brands. But today I do a more convenient and simple way, creating a setting page. The information about all the brands will be input to that page. It means that all of them will be in one place only. In my case, the settings page is quite simple to contain the image of each brand. As there's no special setting, I'll just change the option name. Now, a new menu named Brands appears. It's my new settings page. To have spaces for brand information, we need custom fields. With more than 50 field types of MetaBox, it's so easy to add information for your brands by choosing any type of field you want. You can refer to the video in which we talk about each type of field to see more detailed information. I'm going to create a group field to contain subfields with information about the brand such as brand name and brand image. Pay attention to this option. I set this group as clonable to have more spaces to add different brand information. So you can add as many brand images along with their names as you want. Move to create subfields. To have one more option of adding images, I add two fields which are single image and URL. One allows you to upload images and save them in the library. And one allows you to input a link of an image from anywhere. For the brand name, I have the text field here. That's all the custom fields we need for the brand. Now, go to the Settings tab, and choose the location as the settings page that we've just created to apply the custom fields to it. Back on the settings page, you'll see all of the created custom fields. You can click Add More to add another brand's information. Now, fill the information into the fields. To display the brand information, you normally must go to the theme's files to add code or use a page builder. However, you have another way with MetaBox. We have the MB Views extension to create templates without touching the theme's files. I'm creating a new template using it. We'll insert fields from this button instead of typing code. We used to create custom fields for posts, so we'll choose one from the Post tab. But, in this practice, we created custom fields for the setting page, so we will go to the Site tab, then find the custom fields that I created. Here it is. This group is clonable, so whenever you open the group here to find any field, it will auto-generate a loop as you can see here. Just delete these texts and insert fields inside. I'm creating a rule for displaying images. I'll insert the URL field and change the code a little bit. If there is no imputed URL, the value from the single image field will be obtained and displayed. Because the logo doesn't need to be displayed in a large size, I'll choose the image size as the thumbnail. Besides, if the brand logo upload field is empty, we'll display the image from the URL field. In the event that both the image upload and URL have any value, I set priority to display the image of the brand logo upload field. And the last field will be the brand name. Here is the entire code that I can get the value. But to style, I need to add more div tags. That's all for the code of the template. Move to the Settings section, choose the type of view as shortcode. Then after publishing, a shortcode will be generated automatically. You can copy and paste it to any page you want to display the template. Go to the page you want to display the brand and add the shortcode like this. Now, you can see all of the brand logos along with their names displayed already. But it hasn't looked good yet. Thus, we'll need some JS and CSS to make it look good with a better layout. As you see at the beginning of this video, the logos are in a slider, and brand names are displayed correspondingly. To have it, I use some JS and CSS. But instead of adding them directly to the theme, I'm using my custom functionality plugin, so when I change the theme, it won't be affected. You can download this plugin from GitHub and install it on your website. And, for the JS and CSS, I use the Slick library. It's also available on GitHub. It includes several files as you can see here. But, we just need 3 of them. Go to the folder of the My Custom Functionality plugin. Upload them into the corresponding JS and CSS folders. Next, to set up the slider effect of Slick Slider, I'll create a custom JS file in the JS folder and add code. This is used to create a slider for this class, and this slider will have the style of the Slick Slider library. Then, declare all the JS and CSS files that we have just uploaded and created. Do it by adding code to the plugin PHP file. And, inside this function. Now, the brand images have already turned into a slider. But it still hasn't looked good yet. So, it's time to add some additional CSS. Traditionally, you have to add CSS to the customizer or the themes file. But, with MB Views, you have this place instead to add CSS. You can refer to this code on GitHub or in the article that I put the link in the description to look at them in detail. Now, back to the wanted page, the brand section turned into a new look. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.